What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be doing some pretty basic stuff to the Honda, like probably gonna be taking out the radiator and start taking some of the wiring harness apart. First thing we're gonna do is gonna take this hood off. Get him out of the way. Making a little progress. Like I said, I'm trying to go slow as possible, but I don't know. I just don't be having shit else to do, so I decided to work on it. But I think my stopping point for the day gonna be I'm gonna get this radiator out, and I got to take the fuse box out, or move the fuse box out of the way, and I think that's where I'm gonna stop it for the day. Okay, so this is what we got so far. We got the radiator and stuff out. We got pretty much all the wiring harness pulled apart so we can get to it. Now all I got to do, I'm gonna start working on probably tomorrow, is taking the alternator and AC compressor and power steering pump off. And then all that'll be left is to put the hoist on it and start picking this bad boy up. I'm planning on having it out by Saturday and swap the engines out, have the other one in by Sunday. Yep. Stay tuned, everybody. This is the CG5 build, aka Mr. T.